Evaluate integral x cube into e power 4x dx. Solution. If you observe the question, in the question x power 3 into e power 4x, these two are different type of function and these two have in multiplication and it has integral. So in this case we have to apply integration by parts or Bernoulli's rule. See, it is easy to apply Bernoulli's rule. See what is a Bernoulli's rule? Bernoulli's rule. Integral of u dv is equal to u into v minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus u four bull dash v4 minus so on. Now what is u, what is dv of the given equation? For that we can find from using Euler word. Here I means inverse trigonometry function. If you observe the given function, there is no inverse trigonometry function. Then move to the next letter. The next letter is L. L means logarithmic function. There is no logarithmic function. Now move to the next letter, that is A. A means algebraic function. Yes, here we have x cube is the algebraic function. That is the u value. U is equal to x cube. The next, automatically dv is the second value, that is e power 4x into dx. Now differentiate this one. See, if we differentiate this one, differentiate with respect to x on both sides, that is equal to, this is du by dx. We can write it is u dash is equal to d by dx of x cube, that is equal to, see, d by dx of x cube is 3x square. So u dash is equal to 3x square. The next, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That means u double dash is equal to, differentiation of this one is 3 2 the 6, only x. This is the u double dash. Again differentiation, u triple dash is equal to only 6. See, 6 is the constant, so there is no need to differentiate another time. It's enough. Next, v is equal to, find, here we have u, u dash, u double dash, u triple dash. These are the u. These are from, we can find dv value. V is equal to, formula is integral of dv. We know that integral of dv value is e power 4x dx. That is equal to integral of e power 4x dx is e power 4x is as it is upon x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 4. This is the v value. The formula is integral of e to the power of ax dx is equal to e power ax upon x coefficient is a plus c. So this is the formula. Now find v1. V1 means integral of this one. Integral of e power 4x is e power 4x, then multiply 4 4s are 16. This is the e1. Next, v2. V2 is e power 4x is numerator. When we have numerator, if you observe, dv value is exponential value, the always numerator is same, but denominator is quite different. 4 into 16. 4 16s are 64. The next, v3 is equal to, numerator here also same, e to the power of 4x upon 4 into 6. Here is 4 into 64 is 6 to 56. This is the v3. This is the v4, sorry, v2. This is the v1. Substitute these values in the formula. So formula is integral of u dv is equal to u into v minus u dash into v1 plus u double dash into v2 minus u triple dash into v3 plus u four bull dash into v4 minus so on. Here integral of x power 3 e power 4x dx is equal to u. U value is x cube. x cube into v value is e power 4x by 4, e power 4x by 4. Next minus u dash value is 3x square into v1 value is e power 4x by 16. Next plus u double dash value is 6x into v2 value is e power 4x by 64. Next minus u triple dash value is 6 into v3 value is e power 4x upon 256 plus c, that is equal to x into e power 4x by 4, x cube into e power 4x by 4, x cube into e power 4x by 4 minus 3x square into e power 4x by 16, 3x square into e power 4x by 16 plus 6x into e power 4x, 6x into e power 4x by 64 minus 6 into e power 4x, 6 into e power 4x upon 256 plus c. This is the answer.